Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to create an add-on and the variants. For the add-on means that the special requirement of your item. For example, extra spicy, no garlic, or extra sugar, or no sweet. Then for the attribute means that small, medium, large, or hot and cold for the beverage. It's something that you must click it.
Log into your portal.feedme.cc, then go to the add-on. So you can create the add-on group. For example, I want to create an add-on group for my bubble tea. So I click here, new add-on group. So I put a name which is bubble tea. So add-on selection means that minimum how much you should select and maximum how many special requirement the add-on you can select. For the dynamic means that has no price, apply. For the normal means that there's a price to apply. And the product means that the add-on will link with your product. So for example, I click on the normal. Let's say I want to add bubble. So I put here price which 1 ringgit. Then I can click new add-on jelly. So I put 1 ringgit. I can add it. Okay, for the add-on group behavior, stackable means that the customer can choose same add-on, which is I can select this for more than one time. So if yes, then just click on. If no, just click off. Then just click create. After you have created this add-on group, then you need to go to your product and link with the add-on group. So click on the edit icon, go to the add-on group and click link group. So under link with the bubble tea, just click link and just click save. In one product, there's no limitation on link with the add-on group. So I go to second item, just click link group and link with my bubble tea add-on group. Just click link and just click save. So for the variants, I click new variants. So normally what we create is, for example, the beverage have hot and cold. So I click here, beverage. So I click hot. I click cold. Just click create. Other than that, sugar level, no sugar, no normal sugar, and chocolate. Just click create. Then the ice level. Click create. Then you need to go to the product and link with the variants. Just click on the edit icon. Just click here and select. Let's say I want to select for the sugar level first, then my ice level. Just click save. Same goes to my jelly. Then just click save. After that, don't forget go to the publish. Click on the 3 dot and publish your menu. Then go to your post device. So when you're taking order, then click on the item and select on the sugar level. So this is the variance and the ice level. That's why I click normal ice. And then for the bubble tea add-on, I can click like this. Just click confirm. Then it will show the order like this. Same goes to here. If you don't want to select the add-on, just click confirm. So example, if my waffle, I need to choose 2 flavors, so I go to the add-on, I create the add-on group for it. Then minimum I click 2. And the maximum I also click 2. Then I click on the add-on, for example. Just click create. Then go to the item and select, then link with the add-on group. Just click save, then go to the publish and publish the menu. So when you're taking order of the waffle, you need to choose 2 flavors. Just click confirm. That's how I do it in the add-on group. Thank you.
So, cari post system, cari Aseng.
Find Guinness Post, find out.
Aseng.
Aseng. Sa post system, sa Aseng.